the truth.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today I wanted to do something very random, I guess, from my channel. And as you can see from the title, today I'm gonna be swatching some lip glosses for you, and one of them is already on my lips. As you can see, it's a very beautiful blue kind of a shine, and I actually really like it. Summer came and I haven't even noticed because our weather didn't change the slightest bit, because we had 35 Celsius heat before that in the spring. I guess you can call it spring in Israel, but now it didn't actually change a lot, so we had summer since, like, I guess March. So, as you can see from a lot of different brands, lip toppers and lip glosses are back in the beauty industry, going really strong in the summer. They have a lot of glitter, a lot of shine to them. So today I wanted to swatch for you some lip glosses or lip toppers, call it how you want to call it. And these are the Diamond Lip Glosses from AOA Studio. If you don't know yet, this is a very affordable brand that Shop Nisei came up with. It's not a new brand, it's not a new product, but I thought it would be great for you to see how they look on bare lips, and because summer is now already, I thought it would be fun to show you some fun colors for the summer. And these are really affordable. These are $1 each. So if you don't have any money to pay for, like, I don't know, Tom Ford lip glosses, go ahead and try these. They have a big variety of colors. So I'm gonna be swatching those for you right now. So I have 10 colors here with me. I actually know that these are not all of them. I think they have another 2 colors to this collection. A couple of those are still closed. I didn't try them on my lips. The one that I have on my lips right now is Glacier. I don't really know how to correctly pronounce it, so I'm gonna write each and every name somewhere on the screen when I show it to you. saw from all of the swatches, these lipsticks have a lot of shine to them. They look very glossy, and the glitter does this thing, this beautiful duochrome thing that I think brings a pop of color to your look and makes it more special, more unique, I guess. For this price, I think it's a great product. AOA Studio, you did good. You did really good. I hope that my camera gave those lip glosses a chance to prove themselves, and I hope you saw the beauty of them. They are really soft on your lips, they don't feel heavy, they are pretty comfortable, and they have this very unique effect that you can do. If you want to get rid of this glossiness from the liquid itself, you can just take a napkin and do something like this. And when you take it off, you don't have the liquid on your lips, you only have the glitters, and it looks just different. I wouldn't say it looks better, it just looks different. I love this trick, and you should try it with a dark matte liquid lipstick. You should put some, I don't know, black, purple, blue, or dark red, and then put the lip gloss on and just stick a tissue to your lips. Just for a second, take it off, and the effect would be so beautiful. Just try it. But I think for the summer, it looks really nice on your lips without any lipsticks under it. Yeah guys, this is it. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget about that notification bell so you won't miss any of my next videos. I hope you're having a great day. Bye guys.
The truth.